Hi everyone, are you ready to build something amazing, something spooky and win serious crash? So this is Kiroween, a super fun building contest or hackathon from Kiro. If you do not know what's Kiro, it's an IDE developed by Amazon Web Services, just like your Visual Studio Code with vibe coding built in, with all the AI features built in. So we want to use Kiro's smart tools to create wild and creative ideas in this particular hackathon. So as part of this, they are giving away $100,000 in total cash prizes. So the top winner will get a huge $30,000 in cash. So when you sign up, you also get free access to the best version of Kiro to help you build your project throughout. So what you need to build is the question. I am sure you might be wondering what you should build. So the details are already present on the Kiro's official documentation. You can see the registration link, and also they're announcing $100,000 across 12 different prize pools and 66 total winners, right? So here's the details what you can build. So firstly, let me zoom in a bit. So if you see here, you can bring your favorite dead technology back to life. So you can reimagine absolute tech with today's innovation or solve tomorrow's problems. So if you have any technology that is dead already and if you want to revive it, so you can use this platform and you can do it with the help of Kiro, and you can present that as a submission to the Kiro team. Next, you can stitch together two different technologies and build one app out of it, and you can bring together seamlessly incompatible elements to build something unexpectedly hard. So that is something that you can think about. And third one is you can build a skeleton code template, lean enough to be clear but flexible enough to support various use cases, and you can also show them the versatility with two distant applications from one foundation. So that's what they're looking for. The next one is mainly focused on the UI itself. You can build any app but show them the haunting user interface that polished, which is unforgettable for them to watch, right? So bring in creepy design elements that enhances your app's functionality. So I loved how Kiro's website is actually. So if you could plan something around that and build a product out of it, that would be great as well. So they expect that to be developed as well. And for the startup flavor, so they have decided to give away another prize for Kiroween, which awards up to $10,000 for best startup project as well. So you can see the rules and the submission details here. So all the details are present in this website. I'm going to leave the link to this website in the description box below. Please feel free to check that out. So you need to remember the key dates here. So the launch of this event was actually on 31st of October 2025, but we are already late. So I'm documenting this video on 13th of November, but you still have time till Friday, that is December 5th, 2025 until 2 p.m. PT to submit all your project. And the prize pool details are here, and the judging criteria is also provided here. And you can see it is being judged by industry judges like the people who are mentioned here, and they will look for the potential value, implementation, quality and design. And the submission requirements as you will need to provide your public code repository, and it should contain .kiro as a directory which includes all the details in it. And you should also create a 3-minute demonstration video and documentation how you utilized Kiro throughout your development process that shows them the next level understanding of the features that you used, right? So Kiro is the platform which gives you with the vibe coding details, vibe coding features, and you also get agentic hooks, and you can also go by spec driven development, steering documentation, and you can also implement the MCP servers if you are interested. And there are a lot of discussion around this. So as far as I know, over 1,800 folks are already registered and participating in this. So if you're interested, please join this Discord server where they will share all the related information. If you do not have a team, you can discuss and form a team and start building your vibe product as well. So are you ready to git commit? So here is all the details that you have. So if you click on this register on dev post, you will land in this particular website where all the details are provided. So if you see here, you still have 23 days. So this is in Indian time zone. That's the reason why it's 6th December. For the rest of the folks, it's 5 p.m. or 2 p.m. PT on 5th December. So who can participate above legal age of majority in country of residence, all countries or territories excluding standard exception. So you can check this standard exception details here, and the maximum team size is of 3 members, and you can also be an individual participant. If you do not have a team member, you can find them in the Discord server. So feel free to join the Discord server. And the requirements are well documented, and what details should be submitted, and all those things are well documented. The price related information, judges, and all the details are well documented. documented here. So click on this join hackathon, provide the details like email address, full name, and all the details that they ask for, and you can get started. So if you see here, you already have 1,887 participated join this Kiroween hackathon. So don't miss out this opportunity. If you have a wild idea, please go ahead and start building it today using Kiro. So that's all I had for this particular video. If you are liking the content that I'm creating, please consider subscribing and share it with your friends. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.